Okay, next we're going to show you how to use the Google Drive for the golf courses. Morrison Lakes Google Drive is you go to Google, you go to login, agcmlgctraining@gmail.com. You'll have the credentials to get into the drive. Now, I'm already in the drive, so I did that. For Arrowhead, it's arrowheadtournaments@gmail.com. Okay, so those are the first two things. Now, the rest of it from here is fairly similar. Now, to get into Drive, you click on these boxes right here. You get to Drive right here. These are all the documents we have for the courses. This one happens, again, to be the Morrison Lake one, but the same structure applies. It's going to have the year, and as of right now, when I've recorded this, I have 4 main categories. Anything dealing with the cart mob, dealing with the counter, with the leagues, outings, and tournaments. So the cart mob stuff, you've got the cart mob tracker, the cart mob report card is in here, and whichever one you want, you just click on it, and now you've got it. If you want to, you can print it from right here. Go back, you just hit this. All right, so that's what's in the cart mob, and more things will probably be entering in there as we progress. The counter, what's in here? The weekly tasks, the handbook, the closing list, the Groupon check-in sheet, league registration, those type of things. League registration, we might find a new home for that. Like in leagues, your event sheet, your skin sheet, the event sheet, anything else that pertains to leagues, outings, tournaments, mulligan packets, the outing confirmation script, the outing checklist, the surveys, the skins tournament scorecard, scorekeeper, those type of things. But that's Google Drive. Now you know how to get in there and access everything.